Hey everyone, the professor here with your crude oil analytics for today. Now, yesterday, we did take this nice sell from this area and we just wrote it down from zone to zone. Some of us were able to scalp this buy right in this area, right in here. So what I want to do for this video, since I'm going to keep it brief, is I want to give you entries and exits. And again, folks, you cannot have a 200-point stop loss on crude oil unless your strategy is about under leveraging and swing trading. But if you're looking to make profits and you want to get in, you want to get out, you've got to look at these key points. So let's start from right here. And now based on what we have here, okay, we have an area of consolidation over the last several hours on crude oil. Now, when we look at the bigger time frame, let's go here to the 4 hours real quick, and let's go ahead and close this up. Okay, we can see here that we are at this critical level right in this zone right in here. So we have not yet completely broken this trend. We would need to close below this area, 82, to really change the trend now to a full bearish mode back down into the 70s, upper 70s. Okay, so we are not there yet, but we are trending in that direction. Okay, so taking a look at what we see here, this is going to be whether we break this area of 82.55 or not. That's why when we go back now to the smaller time frame and we bring up our chart, this is where we are at right in here on the 1 hour time frame. So again, this is going to be tricky to trade, in my opinion. This is going to be a 100% scalping opportunity with tight stop losses and getting back in if we see the direction change. Okay, so for example, let's focus in on this area right in here. Okay, if price is going to come back up, we are going to look at the Fibonacci level from this high to this low, and we are going to drop that right there. And so we would be looking at a position of something like this for a short. I like up here a little bit higher than the 61.8, but again, I can see something like this, but this has to be your stop loss right above this wick right here, and then taking this back down to at least the zero line. That gives you a 2.5 to 1. So that is one trade opportunity right there for you. Okay. The next one would be on the flip side of this. Okay. If price comes back down, then we are looking at a long opportunity somewhere down here by the -61, going back up to the 38. And again, your stop loss would have to be below this low here, because if not, price is going to continue going down. So that is our intermediate. Now, as we look at this moving forward and we back this up a little bit, everything else from here will depend on what happens from zone to zone. We are going to, if we break this to the top side, okay, then we need to expect price to come back down, look for a retest, and then back up to our next level. If we just continuously move down and break below this area, I'd say between 82.95 and 82.80, then we want price to come down. We want price to shoot back up. And then we want price to continue down to our levels of about 82. Okay, so some scalping opportunities here. And then these are more of your bigger time frame moves. And again, if you look, there's about 50 to 60 points in between zones. A great opportunity for you to scalp today with crude oil.